Walt Disney, the famous entrepreneur who created the multi-billion-dollar empire in entertainment, once said, if you can dream it, you can do it. And today, at Sarthak Ke Sarthi, we have brought one such story of Nagaraju Voltaire from Vizag, from Vishakhapatnam, from the interiors. How Nagaraju, once literally on the deathbed, resurrected, re-emerged, regained his strength, not to only help himself, his family, but everyone in the community. And that's the story of Nagaraju. So, Nagaraju, tell us, where do you belong to, your background, who all are there in your family, and tell me about your disability as well.
Yes, sir. So, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Walter Nagaraju. I am from Vishakhapatnam. Coming to my family background, I am the younger one. I have two elder sisters. My father is working as attendant in Delhi Public School, and my mother is a homemaker. And my disability is 100% disability. I have lost my spinal cord and even right hand.
Wow. And how did this happen, Nagaraju?
Yes, sir. In 2009, after completion of my 10th class, as I came from middle class background, I have to started earning money for my family purpose. In that way, I went to Hyderabad for work purpose. While coming back after 2 years, in 2010, I have met with a severe train accident in which I have lost my entire life from there onwards. Even I lost my complete life, school education, everything. In my younger age only, at that time, I am 20 years like that. That is the youngest age of any person who has to enjoy their life. But I enjoyed on, but I don't live completely.
Wow. So you had a massive train accident at the age of 20.
Yes, sir.
And you met.
Yes, sir.
You met with an accident which ruined your spinal cord. Your hand was cut, and you were nearly on the deathbed. Wow. And
Yes,
how did you come
even
back?
My body also went to postmortem. How did means due to my father and mother affect more, sir. Like I got the game of
You were saying something about the postmortem. You were saying something about the postmortem.
Yes, sir. After train accident, doctor said that I have died and they send me my body to postmortem. Even all the family members, all relatives got information that I was dead. But suddenly the postmortem doctor came late to do operation. At morning 7 o'clock the body went means he came at 4 o'clock evening. In middle what happened I don't know. Suddenly I wakened up in the postmortem hall. Then they shifted me to the emergency ward. They started curing me. They said that the spinal had got injury and even he lost his hand completely. All my head injuries, everything are injured very badly. They said useless, but my father and mother requested the doctor so much. At least useless also he will be in front of our eyes. So they started treating me. Still 5 years, from 2010 to 2015, I was in bed only, sir. Everything on bed only. Sometimes even I got why I have lived in this. In the train accident only, I should die now. What is this life? Sometimes I also thought like that. But coming, I got faith in my life. Why I should die, why I should not live, I got small idea. And I started moving myself with the help of tables and all. Like that, I stood up with my own legs. Then I started physiotherapy. Completely 2 years, I started physiotherapy. Then I got a hand stick. With the help of hand stick, I started walking myself completely. Completely, I cured myself. Even though I cured myself, but the amount was kept by my parents. They are first gods in my second life. They kept so much investment on me during one by bed. Each and everything they used to buy. But one thing, no one was offered me. No one has helped me in that situation. Any relatives, any friends, no one has helped me. Only my parents only got me through like this. That's the journey of my hospitalities.
Wow. So, barring your parents, nobody came to help you, and literally from a mortuary, you
Yes,
came
sir.
back to
Literally.
life.
Yes,
Wow.
sir.
So, Nagaraju, tell me about your association with Sarthak. How did you came in contact with Sarthak, and what are you doing now? So,
Yes, sir.
after you
Well,
got your life back, what are you doing now?
yes, sir. After my wake up from bed, I started studying again. I completed my degree BCom in distance education. I used to attend every Sunday classes. Like that only started. I have lost my right hand. I started learning writing from left hand.
Wow.
Actually, this disability candidates have an option to write exams with another candidate, but I didn't agree with. I thought I should write myself. I have, I wrote myself and I have passed with
Wow.
six.
So,
With
so,
six.
so so you learned in the process of writing from your left hand, and you
Yes, sir.
wrote the exam by yourself and you cleared the exam.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic.
Clear. Actually, Telugu I am unable to write, so I kept two backlogs. But I started that also next year. I practiced very well Telugu and I wrote in next year. Anyhow, I completed my BCom. After completion of my BCom, I started searching for jobs. Little Netcafe Center. There I learned a little bit system work. After that, I searched so many places, but due to my disability, no one offered me. Like that, once in Gajuaka, in Visakhapatnam, Gajuaka, Sarthak Trust was kept in camp there, medical camp. I went through it. They're offering jobs. They're giving training, and they're offering jobs like that. So like that, I contacted Sarthak Trust. From there, they changed my life. They gave me training in everything, in English. Now the English I'm speaking also, they only gave me
Wow. Wow.
everything. They gave me training. Actually, I think not that much fluent, but I'm able to speak English now. Uh, uh, they offered me
What are you
job in
doing?
Millennium
What are you doing, Nagaraju, now? So
Yes, sir.
after coming back, after getting training from Sarthak, clearing your exam with your left hand by your own self, what are you
Yes,
doing right now?
yes, sir. After completion of my training, Sarthak offered me job in Millennium Software Solutions, sir. It is a skill development like Sarthak only, but not handicaps. All
Okay.
normal, all normal people, we will give training and we will offer them jobs. In that sector, Sarthak only gave me job offer. Now I am doing job in there only. It's very big institute, DDU-GKY. As a mobilizer, I am working, sir. In meantime, I will give motivation classes also, giving my story to them. I will motivate the students. I am handicapped. I am doing job. Why you can't do like that? I will
Excellent.
give them
So,
like
so,
that.
so so you now are helping underprivileged
Yes, sir. For
and you are
normal.
helping the community,
Yes, sir.
and you are inspiring others by giving your own story from the
Yes, sir.
deathbed bed to helping community.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. This is truly surreal. This is absolutely phenomenal. I can only say that, Nagraju.
Yes, sir.
Wonderful.
That the destiny is the handicapped person is giving jobs to normal person.
Wow, wow, wow. So
Yes,
differently
sir.
abled is giving jobs to abled. Wow.
Able.
So that's the definition. That's the
Yes, sir.
way, that's the power. Wow.
Yes, sir.
Nagraju, you have simply created history. That's all I can say. And this sentence, differently abled
Able person is
Enabling
giving offering jobs to
ability.
ability.
Wow,
Yes, sir.
wow, phenomenal.
Now
So
how
definitely able giving jobs to able people.
yes, sir.
Phenomenal.
Now how I am step growing means my sir is saying that I will hand over this institute, this branch to you in 6 months. You have to only look after this.
Wow, wow.
That much I am growing, sir.
Very nice, very nice. And so this is the way Nagraju, you're gonna progress. Fantastic. What's your two-line message to everyone who's seeing this video, who's a differently abled and who's
Sir,
dejected in life?
two-line message means yes, sir. There is no disability ability like that, sir. Everyone is common, sir. In disability only there is ability. Means we can do anything, sir. If a person thinks that he can do anything, he can do, sir. We have to create another life, sir. Once we lost anything, there will be second chance. We have to use it.
So everyone gets a second chance. Use
Second
it.
chance, sir. Use it.
Use it
But
for your benefit.
use it for our benefit only. But don't sit like that. I can't do anything. I am handicapped. Somebody help me. Someone like that. We must not be look, sir. We have to do only our work. We have to only do, sir. That's
Fantastic.
my
Now,
main.
this is amazing. This is amazing.
Yes,
So
sir. Now in this growing world, nobody will show sympathy on anyone, sir. No handicapped. If he is handicapped, they will show some sympathy and 10 rupees they will give. That's all. But lifelong nobody will. Lifelong nobody will be there, sir.
very nice.
Like that
Very
only I
nice.
created. Like that only I created in my life. In September, I have got married also.
Wow. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Fantastic. So
Then
what you're saying, Nagraju, is do not believe in sympathy of anyone. Stand
yes,
for
sir.
yourself whenever life will give you a second chance.
Yes, sir.
Follow it, pursue it, grab it,
Yes,
and
sir.
change your life for good.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. This is truly
We should be only the offer, sir. We have to give to others a chance, but we must not be the chance to others, sir.
aha. Fantastic.
Like
Fantastic.
that, we should be always. We should think like that only, sir. Then only we can grow in this world.
Correct. Correct.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
So you are the master of your ship. You are the
Yes, sir.
captain of your own plane. You are the master of your own destiny.
Yes, sir.
Fantastic. So
Once more,
thank you, Nagraju, for
okay.
joining with us. Ladies and
Thank you,
gentlemen,
sir.
this is truly inspirational. A young boy coming from a underprivileged society, creating history by giving jobs to people who are so-called fully abled, despite of he being differently abled. And that's the power, that's the enthusiasm, that's the courage which can change your destiny, which can change the world, which can change the society. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you,
Nagaraj.
sir. Thank you, sir.